Biggest martial victory in the last 500 years? Anybody? It concerns India. It concerns all of us. It is a matter of pride for all of us. Anybody? Yes, it was 1971, the birth of Bangladesh. Absolutely right. If we understand what happened in that war, tension was building up. Pakistan had two wings, West Pakistan and East Pakistan. West dominated by Punjabi Muslims and Pathans, East by Bengali Muslims. Elections were held. Elections were swept by the Awami League of the East, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. And he said, I am the legitimate ruler, I should get power. Yahya Khan from West, General Yahya Khan, did not give him power, he gave him the army. The army was unleashed, and rape, arson, atrocities, loot and plunder began in the East. Refugees started trickling into India. Our population was 70 crores. Our Prime Minister at that time, Mrs. Gandhi, said, halt Yahya Khan, we can't hold this much population. But Yahya Khan did not halt. He sent Tikka Khan. Tikka Khan is called the butcher of Bangladesh. And the rape increased, the arson increased, the atrocities increased, and the trickle of refugees became a rivulet. The rivulet became a river. The river became a deluge, threatening to becoming a tsunami, and tension was building up. One reporter of the Time magazine, sitting across the Pakistani general, General A.A.K. Niazi, asked him in Geneva, he said, General Niazi, there is tension building up with India. Are you not scared there could be war with India? General Niazi's answer, India, who is scared of Indians? These Indians. You think we Pakistanis are scared of them? In the last 1,000 years, they haven't won a single war. In the last 1,000 years, we haven't lost a single war. So you think we will be scared of these Indians? Let there be war. There was war. 3rd of December, there was war. And Agra was bombed, Avantipur was bombed, Ambala was bombed, Jodhpur was bombed, Srinagar was bombed. It was war, 3rd of December 1971. But 13 days, 16th of December 1971, the same Pakistani army, the same General Niazi signed the document of surrender. The same army was brought to its knees. This is the document of surrender. The biggest martial victory in the last 500 years, because 93,000 prisoners were captured in this war, captured by the Indian army, members of the Pakistani army. Size of the Pakistani army, 2.2 lakhs. Prisoners captured, 93,000. 40% of the army was captured by us. Now, great achievement by the Indian army. But if we understand, we are talking of greatness. We are talking of the man who inspired, the man who led this. Who is the architect? Absolutely right. The architect of this attack is General Sam Manekshaw, another great man. But we talk of the 16th of December, when tension was building up in July of 1971. The Prime Minister, Mrs. Gandhi, called him and said, Sam, we must get into East Pakistan because tension is building up and General Niazi is very bombastic. We must teach them a lesson. She said this and she looked at him. But Sam Manekshaw in his biography, Soldiering with Dignity, says, she looked at me and I looked back. I said, if we get in now, we are sure to be defeated. Madam. She was not expecting this answer. Stunned, shocked, appalled she was. But he says, I stood my ground and I told her that this is the time. It is raining. My soldiers are not prepared to fight in the marshes. Let the winter set in. Let the snow come in on the Himalayas. Yellow friends of Pakistan will not be able to join them. I need some time. And he says, I got time till December. And within 13 days, I gave her the result. Again, great man goes down in the world martial archives as the best executed martial operation in the history of the world. 13 days, 40% of the army captured. That is Sam Manekshaw. And if we understand the quality which was behind this decision, that is timing. Actions could be right, but the timing has got to be right. Right action at the right time is right results. Right action at the wrong time, wrong results. Wrong action at the right time, wrong results. Wrong action at the wrong time is absolute disaster. So one more quality, timing.